Mike from Harris Water Main. We have Milton here coming out of the truck. And Jackman is one of our crew leaders. Mike, what are we doing today?
We're doing, usual 1-inch water line. It's leaking out the top. You understand me? Low water.
Interesting situation that we found at the tap, right?
I know, it's crazy. You don't usually see it like that,
You want to show us?
Sure, As you can see, look at the top,
Tap is completely eating away at the bottom.
Sure, screw how it brings this nipple right into the top. You understand me? So we shut it off.
It's almost rigged up.
Yeah, it's rigged up. Somebody popped it up.
So hopefully we're going to be able to unscrew that and reconnect it, right?
Hopefully, yeah, sure. We get it in.
So there must have been a heavy leak. Everything's
everything's so direct, saturated.
We have multiple flag mat here. This is a highly trafficked area.
Of course. As you can see, we got Calalo over there. Look at Calalo doing his thing. And then we got Kelvin on the block, flag man.
Yeah. What's your primary focus today for this job?
Flag.
Very busy street, right?
Yes, and to keep the traffic get the traffic to regulate properly, and that's so that the work can be done.
So it's a very important job. It might seem simple, but it's actually very important to make sure everybody stays safe.
There we are.
Very good job. All right, here we have Franklin. Franklin's our field supervisor. Frankie, how you doing?
Hey, working hard as usual, man.
Working hard as usual?
Yeah.
So this is long water. Are we going to try to make one hole, or are we going to do 2 holes today?
Yeah, we're going to try to do 2 holes. We're going to break the sidewalk.
Yep.
Until we find the service on the sidewalk. And then we're going to put a gear around it to loosen it up a bit.
Okay.
Then we attach a chain. We cut the pipe right there, attach a chain to it, and use the machine to pull it out.
Pull it through.
New service, we do the reverse. We attach a new chain, the new pipe onto the chain, and then we pull the chain.
Okay.
So hopefully we can do it in 2 holes.
2 holes?
Yeah. This is a protected street, so we got to wait on DOT. We're going to call the inspection for DOT.
Gotcha.
Right. So we'll be here
a while.
All right,
man. Stay busy.
All right, man.
Okay. Let's talk to Talak. Talak is one of our operators. So Talak's been with us for 8 years. Extremely good operator. Talak, I saw you when we first got here. I know we didn't film it, but you were already started digging out, right?
Yeah.
With the machine?
Yeah.
Why'd you guys stop and go by hand now?
It's because we have service below, which we can do excavation with the machine.
Too dangerous to go between the utilities.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you can see right there we have the cable. Then we have the water service. Service is right next to it, so it's kind of you can pass, bypass, and then you can go by the machine.
Let's go take a look at the utilities that he was talking about. What do we have there, Franklin?
Apparently these are cables. I think it's telephone cable. These are PVC pipe that they are more vulnerable. The bar can break this easily, and the machine will rip it out 1, 2, 3.
Gotcha.
Right, so this is more, that kind of set us back a bit, so we have to do more manual hand labor. Right? What is that all the time?
We found the pipe running past the utilities. Franklin, why don't you tell us what you guys are going to do right now just to make sure you're actually on the correct pipe.
Right, we are sounding the service.
Sounding the service.
Yeah.
So how's that done?
So, all right, you see, Tilak's on the other side, you use the bar, and you're resting it here. I'm going to tap on it over here. And if it's this service, you will hear it echo from the connection that he has. Tap on the line right there.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so it's a form of, it's a method that we use.
So if you don't test the right way, you could potentially make a mistake.
Right. You can
cut someone else's water.
Right. So you got to go to the...
Let's take a look at that. Oh, that's the service that we already shot. Cut it. And then you cut the lifeline.
Cut the lifeline.
We're going to dig the sidewalk, so we're going to use a saw to cut the sidewalk. Whereas we don't break the additional flag.
And then at that point, we'll dig down to where the water main is?
At that point, we dig around 4.5 feet in mat, and then we're going to make tunnels. We're going to make a tunnel across the street. Safety is our #1 priority in this company. Everybody must go home. You understand me? Safety first. You understand me? Safety for the employees, safety for the pedestrians is always about safety. Safety is #1. Safety first, comes beyond anything else.
Getting ready to break the hole so we could excavate to find the service for the building.
This is the connection for replacing the one in service. This is the 1 by 3/4 elbow. Generally in this, we use the 3/4 tailpiece. We call it a gooseneck. That's what should be used here. Instead, apparently they didn't have any. So what they do, they break it down, they reduce it to get it even smaller. They use a 3/4 by 1/2 inch nipper bushing and a 1/2 inch straight bushing with a 1/2 inch nipper, which fit inside of the 3/4 top. So here's where it was leaking, because apparently this is galvanized, so it, the water pressure and the gravel eat it out and break it off inside of the connection, the tap that is in the hole. So we have a task now of trying to replace it, get a new connection, a new tap to connect the service to. So this is it. 1/2 inch nipper, 1/2 inch bushing, 3/4 by 1/2, 1 by 3/4. So that's what they break it down to. You got to replace the whole tap. So that's going to be another process again. You got to order that, make appointment with the city today, because they're the one that comes out and do the drilling in the main. You got to put together the main, dig around the main, clean it off, and then they'll come. They give us a time and date when they're going to come, and they'll come and drill and put in a new tap.
And this is why it's always important to make sure you have all the proper equipment, materials,
Yes.
and always do the job correctly. So Mike, where are we now in the project?
Alright, we found the existing 1/8 copper line. We're going to dig beside of it and try to make some tunnel, or if we can, to kill time, we're going to pull it. If we can't pull, then we're going to blow a tunnel.
This is the whole connection. That's what it looks like. Right? I would say they reduce it from a 3/4, because it was a 3/4 connection in there. They reduce it all the way down to 1/4 inch. Right? That's what they use to go in the tap. That shouldn't be like that. This is what we use. This is what's supposed to be inside there. Right? And this now would connect it onto the top. And then the 1 by 3/4 elbow, the adapter, and the service board. So, this is what caused the problem here. We're not going to use that. We're going to use this. And that's where we go. A 3/4 top, 1 in service. So we use the 1 by 3/4 elbow with a 3/4 connection. That's it. That's where it's going to be.
That's the right one.
That's the right way. Peace out.
Video we just showed you is a small portion of the work that is needed to complete and install the new water service. This is why it's so important to always make sure you install and perform your work using the proper materials. Thank you for watching our video. Have a good day.